Hey there, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Emily. I usually do Salesforce content, but today we're going to be shifting over a little bit to Clickups. So I personally use Clickups for my YouTube business, and I want to show you a little bit about how to do stuff. So today we're going to be going over how to create a subtask within Clickups. So I'm currently on a list. I'm on my scripting list for my YouTube videos, and I want to create a little bit of a subtask for one of my interviews that I'll be doing. So I have an interview coming out on my channel about what it's like being a Salesforce consultant, and I have all these different questions laid out, but I need to have a subtask to send these questions over to the consultant I'll be interviewing. So let me go back a little bit. I clicked on the specific task that I needed to go into. And here it'll bring up the kind of the little outline of what you're going to do for this task. And down here under subtasks, you can go create a new subtask. So I'm going to say send cues or questions to the consultant. And personally, I just like it descriptive enough that someone who has the access to this can see it and understand what that subtask is. I'm going to click save. And we can assign it to a person. I'm going to assign it to myself. And then we can either rename it. Different options that we have is we can add it to something, we can convert it, duplicate, email to task, merge, move it, create a dependency. So like, let's say I needed to create the questions before I actually needed to send them out. You could do that. You could delete it. And I believe that you can assign a time to it as well. Let's see. Let's see if I go into it. Then I should be able to assign a time. Should take about 2 minutes. There we go. And the due date, let's say, is tomorrow. We can close it. I can check my time here. If I had any description that I needed to put in there, that I could do that. I could add a to-do checklist for things to send on this, as well as any attachments. I can also drop files, super helpful. So now if I want to close my subtask, let's see, I can go here, and it should look different than the other tasks that do not have a subtask. So you can see here, we have the subtask, where it shows we have one. We can create a new one, or we could rename it, but I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to complete it because I already did send those questions over to the consultant. So that is how you create and complete and do all the things for subtasks within Clickups. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this or found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. It helps me know what kind of content to create here on my channel. So I will catch you in the next one.